Let me show you how I will be making my party favor sticker label bundle for First Communion. This is, I already had a similar one for boys. If you can see right here, this is a theme for Charro, boy, First Communion in Spanish. So what I did is I just copied it. I go to File, I go over here to File, and then I go to Make a Copy. So when I choose this, Make a Copy, it will give me the same, but duplicate it. It's going to duplicate everything. I already deleted the background and the boy from here and the name. So now I just added this cute little Chara girl, and then I added a different name, a girl name. But everything stays the same. I also did change the background. If you could see, this is more like a floral background, and this one is more like these little square backgrounds. So, like I said, once I have the chip bag design, I just copy and paste everything to my other labels right here. We have our welcome sign, our invitation, our juice pouch, our circle label, our water label, and our gable box label. So we're going to go ahead and start right here by copying the background. I start with the background. I'm going to go ahead and copy. I could just go ahead and copy and paste it right here, just like that. Make sure that it's all completed on all of them. Then I do the same thing. Then I'm going to go ahead and paste. See, it automatically pasted to the background. Go ahead and paste, and it did it on the background. Here, I'm going to go ahead and paste. This one, I do have to, let me see. Okay, so I detached it, and right there. So here it is, and then the same over here. We're going to go ahead and paste. And let's resize this one. Or actually, we're going to go ahead and replace background right there. And then this one, we're going to go ahead and paste and replace background. Okay. So this one, I also have to go back. And this one, I have a transparency of 55. So I'm going to go back and change the transparency on these. Let me see. Does this one have it? Yeah, this one has it. This one has, yeah. So making sure that all of them have a transparency. And this one's okay. So this one, I need to do the transparency here of 55. And then, okay, see, it lines it up. And this one the same, transparency of 55. And there it is. So once I have that, I have my background, I go ahead and my elements. I'm going to paste her, copy her, and paste her, and also the name to the other element, to the other party favors. So I'm going to copy, select both of them, copy, and paste it. So I'm going to put her here. The name is going to go down here, make it a little bit bigger, so it could fit right here, right there in the center. And for her, I'm going to go ahead and we could add her right here, or we could center her. We could go ahead and put the cross right here and center her. Okay, so this is how this is going to be the welcome sign. So it says, welcome to my first communion, Sofia Isabella, and here is the date. This one's in Spanish, but we could also do it in English as well. So then we're going to go ahead and do, this is our invitation. The only thing we have to bring in here is the little girl. Copy and paste it right here because we have everything already here. So we're just going to go ahead and center her right here. This is it because everything should be fine. Here we also do the same thing, paste. And then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and do it like the welcome sign. This is going to be the juice pouch. Okay. We're going to go ahead and duplicate this and align it right here, right there. She should be in the center. We'll check for alignment. And these should be also right here aligned, and they should be aligned in the middle. We're going to go ahead and bring her name and add her name right here. So copy, and then we're going to paste the name right here. Right here, it's going to go. It says, join us to celebrate my first communion. And right here's the name. We're going to go ahead and copy it and paste it right here. We're going to go ahead and adjust the size. And right here, centered right here. Sofia Isabella's first communion. Then we have right here, go ahead and copy, paste. Then right here, we could also do the same. Do a cross right here. Let's make this one smaller because we're going to add the name. We're going to make her smaller to add the name. Then we go get the name from our other ones right here. Copy, and then we're going to go ahead and paste it. Right here. right there. And then we're going to center her right here. Duplicate this one. Make sure it's centered also. We don't want them perfect. And right there, this is our round sticker label. Okay, so after this, the same thing. We're going to copy our main elements right here. Copy our name and our little girl and paste it. We're going to bring her name right here. If we need to adjust the size, then go ahead and do it depending on the size of the name. I think we should make this one smaller. Center it. Bring this one down. I like the name to pop out more right here. We're going to go ahead and align and center it. We're going to go ahead and bring her right here. Make her a little bit bigger right here. Right there. Isn't she cute? Okay, so we have, this is our water label. And the same thing, copy and paste. Let me go ahead and shrink her for right now. The name. Let me bring this down a little bit. Let me bring this down a little bit. Let's make her name like this. And we'll adjust the size right now. Let's go ahead and adjust her right here. And the name, I think this one has to be a little bit smaller. Let's go ahead and align it, center it. And still, let me see. Let's go ahead and make it smaller. And let's go ahead and center it. Okay, maybe move it a little right here. Perfect. So here is our First Communion Party Favor sticker label bundle. This is our gable box, water bottle, circle label, juice pouch label, invitation, welcome sign, and chip bag. If you guys are interested in this bundle, it is available. Go check out our link. It's in the bio and our profile, LawlessStickerCreations.com. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, if you have any questions, leave a comment. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you on our next video.